Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to organize your gaming inventory using Airtable, your ultimate tool for managing and tracking your gaming items. First up, we'll create a new base in Airtable. You can do this by heading to the homepage, clicking on the Add a Base button, and selecting Start from Scratch. A base is essentially a collection of related tables, similar to a database. It's crucial to start with this step because it serves as the foundation for your gaming inventory. Now that we've done that, we need to create a table for each category of items in our gaming inventory. To do this, click on the plus icon next to the table's header and name the table according to your gaming item categories like weapons, armor, potions, and so forth. This step is vital because it helps to segment your inventory for easy access and reference. Next up, we'll add fields to our tables. These are like columns in a spreadsheet and will store the specific details about each item. Click on the plus button next to the last field and add fields such as item name, quantity, condition, and value. Why do we do this? It allows you to keep track of all essential details about each item in your inventory in a structured way. Now let's populate the tables with data. Click on an empty cell under each field and type in the corresponding information. Repeat this process for every item in your inventory. This is an ongoing task that you'll need to update as you acquire or use items in your games. It's crucial because it keeps your inventory current and accurately reflects your gaming progress. Finally, we'll implement sorting and filtering for easier navigation. Airtable offers various ways to do this, but two of the most straightforward methods are by right-clicking a field name and selecting Sort or Filter. This helps us because it allows you to find specific items quickly, especially when your inventory starts to grow. And there you have it. With these steps, you've learned how to organize your gaming inventory with Airtable, making your gaming experience smoother and more enjoyable. You've successfully transformed your gaming chaos into a well-structured, easily navigable system. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you on the next tutorial.